Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this word, how to say the word for east, as in the direction west, east, north, south, that's east. We'll be looking at how to say more useful French vocabulary too, stay tuned. Est is how you pronounce this word here, so note that there is also the verb être, which is like to be. If you say il est, that's written est as well, but that's pronounced differently. Est, il est, or elle est makes the st silent. But if you're talking about this word here for east, then that's est, and in which case you pronounce s and t, est. Do you get this? I hope you do. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.